In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit accounts in the chart of accounts using Xero accounting software. This process is crucial for managing your financial data effectively, and I will guide you through it step by step to ensure clarity and ease. First, let's start by logging into your Xero account. Head to the Xero login page. If you're unsure of the URL, a quick search for Xero login should take you where you need to be. Once there, you'll see the prompt for logging in. Simply enter your email and password, make sure you use the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your details, click on the login button and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now that you're in the dashboard, locate the accounting tab. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, Xero's interface is quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Click on accounting and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select chart of accounts. This area is where you can view and manage your various accounts. Once you are in the chart of accounts section, you'll be able to see all of your accounts listed. Take a moment to identify the specific account you need to edit. Clicking on the account name will open up a detailed view presenting you with several editable fields. Here you can modify the account name, code and description. Adjust any other relevant details to suit your current needs. It's worth noting that keeping these fields updated is vital, as they directly impact your financial reports and bookkeeping accuracy. After making all necessary changes, you'll want to ensure everything is saved. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will apply your edits to the account. Be sure you don't accidentally close the page or navigate away before saving, as this could result in losing any changes you've made. That's it! You've successfully edited an account in the chart of accounts using Xero. Regularly reviewing and updating your accounts can help maintain accurate financial records and assist with decision-making processes. If you found this tutorial helpful, or if you have any further questions about using Xero, feel free to explore more of our content or reach out directly. Thank you for watching and happy accounting!